Good morning, children. Welcome to Social Studies lesson Our Earth in the Solar System Part 3. In previous two videos, you learned about universe, galaxies, solar system, celestial bodies, constellations, etc. What are the celestial bodies? Sun, planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets are all called as celestial bodies. So in this video, you are going to learn about sun and planets. The sun. The sun is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It is in the center of the solar system and ultimate source of heat and light. The sun provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. See, the sun is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It is huge. Huge means very big. How much big the sun is, you know. So, Earth, Earth is only very big. If you bring 13 lakhs of Earths, if you bring and keep in the sun, it can adjust. That much big, that much huge the sun is. And it is made up of extremely hot gases. That means the sun is a sphere of burning gases, and it is in the center of the solar system and ultimate source of heat and light. So all the planets, all the celestial bodies, all they are getting heat and light from the sun. Already you know all the celestial bodies will get heat and light from the stars. Sun is a star. From the sun only we are getting so much heat and light. And the sun provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. That means the sun has that force. What is that force that binds the solar system? Solar system means the sun and the 8 planets are called as solar system. See, all the planets will move around the sun because of what? Pulling force of the sun. And the surface temperature of the sun is around 6,000 degrees Celsius, but the tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because it is far away from us. How much temperature is there at the surface of the sun? 6,000 degrees Celsius. That much temperature we are not feeling. Why? Because it is very far away from us. That's why we are getting very less heat and light from the sun. See, near the sun how much? 6,000 degrees Celsius. That much temperature we are getting? No. So why? Because we are not getting that much temperature because it is very far away from us. And the sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. How much distance between the earth and the sun? 150 million kilometers. That's why we are getting less temperature and light. Heat and light we are getting less. Otherwise, if we get 6,000 degrees Celsius, can we live there? No. Okay, next see. See, this is the image of sun. What is a sun? Sun is a star and it is a sphere of burning gases. So always it will burn and it will emit the heat and light. All other planets will get heat and light from the sun. And now planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. According to their distance from the sun, the order of planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These 8 planets are there in the solar system. Among these 8 planets, Jupiter is the biggest planet and the Mercury is the smallest planet. So what is the order here? From the sun, first one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. See, this is the solar system. What is solar system? Sun and the 8 planets are called as solar system. This is sun. All the planets move around the sun on a fixed path. That fixed path is called as orbit. So all these paths are elongated. Elongated means just like narrow only. All are there. Those are all move around the sun on a fixed path. and the sun has that force. That's why all the planets will move around the sun. See the order. First from the sun, first planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are 8 planets, and among these 8 planets, Jupiter is the biggest planet and the Mercury is the smallest planet. Okay children, see here. Near to the sun, these 4 planets are near to the sun. That's why these 4 planets are called as inner planets. What are those? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These 4 are called as inner planets. And these 4, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, these 4 planets are far away from the sun. That's why these are called as outer planets. These 4 are called as inner planets and these 4 are called as outer planets. If you observe one difference, these inner planets are smaller than these outer planets. Did you observe or not? These all sizes are big. These 4 planets sizes are small. Okay children. And here see, Earth is there and Venus is there. Venus is called as Earth's twin. Why? Because the size, the shape, all are similar to the Earth, Venus. That's why Venus is called as Earth's twin planet. Okay, twins means no? Some identical twins will be there, same only, their faces, facial features all are same. Like that, the Earth and Venus are just like twins. That's why Venus is called as Earth's twin. See, so that order, how you can keep in the mind that 8 planets names in the order. So for that is a small sentence is there. That sentence is called, these sentences are called as mnemonics. Mnemonics means that order, it is difficult to keep in the mind. If you keep in your mind this sentence, it is very easy to recollect that. What is that? My very educated mother just served us noodles. This is the sentence. Then all the first letters, if you take from these words, from the sentence, you can say the 8 planets. See, my, my, M, for what is the first letter? M. So Mercury. Very, what is the first letter? V. V means Venus. See, educated, what is the first letter? E. Earth, E for Earth. M for Mars. J for Jupiter. S for Saturn. U for Uranus. And N for Neptune. Like this. This sentence, if you keep in your mind, then you can say the order of the 8 planets from the, according to the sun, the distance from the sun, you can say the planet names. What are those? My very educated mother just served us noodles. That sentence you can keep in your mind easily. Like this, if you want to keep anything in your mind, if you frame the sentences like this for fun, these are called as mnemonics. This is very good to keep anything in our minds. Okay, now come to the lesson. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed paths. These paths are elongated and are called orbits. The planets are classified into 2, inner planets and outer planets. Before only see, already I showed you. These are all paths. Okay, these paths are called as orbits. For every planet, one orbit is there, and these 4 are called as inner planets and these 4 are called as outer planets. What are inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. What are outer planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So in size, inner planets have small size while compared with outer planets. Okay children, see here. So planets are classified into 2, inner planets, outer planets. The 4 planets nearer to the sun are called as inner planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These planets are comparatively smaller in size and are composed of rocks. All those inner planets are composed of what? Rocks. And the last 4 planets are called as outer planets. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These planets are large in size and are made up of gases and liquids. Okay, these 4 planets are made up of gases and liquids. What are those 4? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Venus is considered as Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. That means size and shape also similar to the Earth. That's why Venus is called as Earth's twin. Okay, children, I think all of you understand. Now a small assignment to you. Draw the picture of solar system and name the 8 planets. That means, see in that picture how I showed like that. Sun you have to draw in the corner, and all the 8 planets you have to draw the orbit also, and names. That planets names also you have to write with neat handwriting, right? Try to draw the picture with a pencil, and the names you have to write with pen. Okay children, thank you.